I'm Jonathan Lloy, and I build homes.
Oh, well, look at this ceiling, wow.
I build them with a team of skilled tradespeople right here at Lloyoll Prefabs. Our homes are beautiful, durable, and portable. We build them inside, then we take them outside to the wildest places on earth.
I am still wrapping my head around the idea that I'm gonna own a place that looks like it should be in a magazine.
One of the things that we're most worried about with the delivery is just some of the obstacles.
You're gonna miss that tree? You gotta steer him around that tree, right?
Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Not into that tree, though. Not only is it dangerous, but it has the potential to just rip everything apart.
We're just trying to kind of make the impossible happen here. What is that?
I didn't tell you about that?
No.
Oh, oops. Everything's gotta go right.
Everything's got to go right.
Yeah. This is just what happens sometimes. This is the worst case scenario because we can't fix this.
It's gonna be stunning. Like this is, I can see myself spending a lot of time in this room.
I love it.
Do we have enough steel to finish and get it out the door?
It's not looking that way.
This will either work or it won't, so I'll make my peace with that. How are you feeling about all this?
Overwhelmed.
We've never done that
anything
before.
like that before.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.
Good
job.
freaking job.
Jonathan, thank you so much for building a home of our dreams, beyond our dreams, honestly.